everybody. So today, as you can see, I've got this on. This is just really to stop the smoke. It's been getting worse and worse. It doesn't like the newer types of oil, and I don't think 5 types of oil is good for a lawnmower. So this is really just a update video, and yeah. So as you can see, I've got this tractor flap on here now. I wasn't actually the one to make that. My mum made that because I think it was 2 days after Christmas. I went on a 10-day scout camp. That's why I haven't posted anything, and I didn't have anything waiting to be posted. This is just going to be a shorter video so I can send it faster. But my mum made that. It's pretty cool. I'll shot up a video just after I'm talking about this running, which I've pre-videoed. And I've had some belt problems, so I had to swap it out so it goes only about 10 Ks now instead of 20. So it's a bit disappointing, but it's still okay. Anyway, so I actually want to ask you to put down in the comments any suggestion for modifications that I can do that won't be way too expensive. Even if they are, just put them in and I might be able to figure a way out around them. So yeah, here's the video now, and then I guess the video will just end. So I'll see ya.